everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to a new project intro, and this one is going to be so much fun. This is Face the Music. This is a project pan that was created by Jessica and I. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab, so all of the information, sign-up sheet, etc. is listed down below. Jessica and I both have a love of music. You guys know I probably sing in every stinking video. I think in song lyrics, like if you say a word and it pops in my head, a song will come out. Like that's just how my brain works. So I am always on shuffle, I'm always singing, etc. So we both wanted a more music themed project, especially after the one from Mari, Patriot Makeup, ended. So we've been working on this one for a hot minute. And yeah, so it's going to be roulette style because there are 327 prompts. That list will probably expand. I was supposed to get us to 350 and I just haven't had the time to sit down or the bandwidth to sit down and think of any more songs. So we'll get there eventually. This will probably be an ever-growing list. So yeah, so there are 327 prompts. You're going to pick 3 to 6. So this is roulette style, so it's going to be random number generated. You pick your own products as long as they're a beauty product. You set your own goals. So I am going to do this as a project 10 uses. So every product I pull, unless it's like a lotion or something like that, I may leave it in to completion. But for the most part, this is going to be a 10 use project. So you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join this one because the spreadsheet will be listed. There's a Google sheet, will be listed down below. Feel free, you know, to remove the prompts after you finish them, or if there's a song or something that you don't like, that you can skip it, etc. So just have fun with it. You know, I like to keep mine mostly open-ended. Really, the only rules are 3 to 6 roulette, you know, roll stuff in and out, and it has to be a beauty product. So yeah. All right, so I am actually filming this intro after I've already done the pulling and stuff because I was like, I didn't even talk about how I love music, which you guys know because again, I sing in every video. So yeah, so let's cut back to me drawing and then I'm gonna go over the prompts. I forgot to clear history, so let's start again. 159, 93, 2, 52, 76, 263. Okay, I'm going to find those in my spreadsheet and then we will go through them. That way this moves a little bit faster. All right, let's look at these prompts. I'm going to put my glasses back on. We are going to start all the way at the top with number 2. Number 2, 9 to 5, a product that lasts you all day. If it's a country one, they're mostly me. A product that lasts you all day. Then we have Copperhead Road, a coppered colored product. We have Enter Sandman, sand color or themed product. Free Bird, a bird themed product. I don't know what that will be. Kiss an Angel Good Morning, a product you use in the morning. And then finally, Summer Lovin', a summer themed product. So I'm gonna go pull my products and then I will meet you back here once I'm ready to move on. All right, that was a little harder than I thought it would be. The bird one, I think, is what really threw me off. Okay, we're going to start at the top. This is not in the order I drew them, but this is in the order that we're going to go through. The first is 9 to 5, a product that lasts you all day. I'm going to bring in this. Take these off. This is the Kayali Musk perfume that they no longer make. I know other people say that it didn't last on them. It lasted just fine on me. It smells so good. And again, this is in for 10 uses. Next, we have Copperhead Road, a copper colored product. I'm bringing this. This is the Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield Protectant Spray. I'm going to put this in to finish. I'm probably about halfway through. I don't mind it. I don't love it. I honestly haven't found a heat shield that I actually like, so we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, that's in for 10, no, that's in the finish. So yeah, You're so close. I'm so sorry. I can't change it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Next, we have Enter Sandman, a sand color or themed product. I brought in this. This is from Heimish, I think. It is just a neutral AF eyeshadow palette. And I think rather than 10 times, I'm going to try to hit pan in this shimmer right here. Really pretty. This will make a really pretty inner corner, and it should go pretty fast. Okay, maybe. Do we need to do the other one? Ow. I'll break a nail. Okay, they're both really glittery topper shades. So I will hit pan in one of these two shades in this palette. Did I get rid of my baby wipe? I sure did. I sure did. If being free means what you leave behind, stay for love to change your mind. This is goodbye then. Alright, so Freebird, a bird themed product. This one was hard, Miss Jessica, but I remember to have this. This is the Bye Bye Birdie ColourPop palette. Now mine is completely different. I think I mentioned I went through and smelled all of the glitters, and those went in the garbage, and then I went through and swatched mattes, etc. And if they were super dry, super powdery, or if the shimmers were super dry and crumbly, I went ahead and decluttered them. So my palette doesn't really look the way it normally would. Again, this is in for 10 uses. If I'm going to do a neutral palette, this is kind of my kind of palette. So here are the shimmer shades. I will try to use the mattes too. Ooh, that one's pretty. They repeat this one a lot. I also believe this is in the strawberry palette. I think it's also in the, what was that very first peach palette? The 12-pen one? I've lost my brain. I don't know. Anyway, this is in for La 10 uses. Next, we have Kiss an Angel Good Morning, a product you use in the morning. Oh, I'm going to bring in this. This will be another finish go. This is a really small sample of the Josie Moran argan oil. You know what? No, I'm going to do 10 uses because I'm right here. This will take me 3 months to finish. I love this product. And I know a lot of people are like, you can't tell a difference. I can. I can. Like, she had a kit a few years ago that was like morning and night. I could tell a difference. When I went off this and went to Shea Moisture, I could tell a difference. So I really like this. I actually have the big like $200 worth bottle that I got off QVC a few years ago that I've been hoarding that I need to start working on. But yeah, so in for 10 uses. Then we have Summer Lovin', a summer themed product. I'm going to bring in this. This is the Willa Blush from Benefit. It's got a little sailboat, and that tree has some pink blooms. So we live by a lake, and they have a sail regatta every year, and it's really fun to drive by and see like 1,000 sailboats. The one thing I miss about commuting, the only thing I miss about commuting, is on the drive home, I always drove over the lake, and sometimes there would be kite surfers, and I was like, if I ever got to do anything like that, I would want to kite surf. This is Willa. Oh, it's so pretty. You guys know I have a blush fetish. Is it a fetish? No, but I enjoy a good blush. All right, so that's it. All right, so that's it. So we have a perfume that's in for 10 uses. We have a heat protectant that's in as a finish go. We have one shimmer to hit pan. We've got a bird themed product, 10 uses. We've got a morning product, 10 uses. And then we have a summer themed product, 10 uses. So yeah, that's it. As I mentioned, you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to do this one. Everything is linked in the description box down below. Feel free to sign up. Anyway, down below. Be sure to check out Jessica. I mean, who doesn't know Jessica? Come on now. What else can I tell you? That's it. I am going to be doing, I probably won't be doing any kind of finales this month. I'm going to try to do my, I may try to update like the emoji project, because that's, you know, you bring something in, and I may try to update Throwback 30, but that's probably going to be it for the month of December, other than the inventory videos. And like I said, I may have to have you guys help me decide on pan that palette, face, and eye. What else? I think that's it. So I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let me know where you're from. If you haven't let me know before, please let me know if you're from, where you're from. And if you're new here, say hi so I can say hello back. Anyway, that's it, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Can you tell my battery is about to die? Okay, bye.